Hey everybody, I'm back with a quick update and tutorial on making your own dividers for these multi-drawer storage bins. This is an Acro Mills and I just bought a second one behind me, and they never send enough. They usually have a couple attached to the back, but never enough for all the drawers to be divided. I was going to buy some on Amazon, but the place that I was going to is out of stock, and then the prices are just way too expensive for them. They wanted like $17 for 6 of these. So what I had been doing with the smaller drawers is using index cards to create storage in the smaller drawers. And I've been using this stock paper. I did it in one of the drawers here. And it's a matter of getting the length right so it doesn't buckle quite as bad. So this one probably needs a little bit of work. But basically getting the right length to fit the drawer and then folding it enough so it fits in the little slots and is sturdy. So a perfect solution, no. But it does get the job done, and a much more cost-effective way than trying to buy them. And it does allow me to split the drawers, because without splitting, let's see if I can find one. The drawers really do become a hot mess without having the split down the middle to really organize them, depending on how you're using them. So what I'm doing here is I'm measuring out. Looks like I can fit 2 of these per piece of paper, because I think what I'm going to have to do is cut down the center to length and then fold this and then trim the tops off a little bit so they're not too tall, and that will create one divider. And then I can do that on the other side. So I think I can do 2 dividers per sheet of paper. And because I only got 4 dividers and it's, I believe, 24 drawers, I'm gonna have to do quite a few of these, which is fine. But that's my tutorial for making my own storage dividers for the storage bins. Like this video, follow me on YouTube, and check back often. Thanks.